Welcome to Vroom Vibes. When the engine roars, luxury never stops. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The 2225 BMW X7 continues to redefine luxury in the full-size SUV segment, blending power, elegance, and advanced technology into a bold and commanding presence. As BMW's flagship SUV, the X7 delivers a perfect mix of performance, comfort, and innovation, making it an ideal choice for those who seek prestige and practicality. The base model features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine with 375 horsepower, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system for improved efficiency. The M60i variant boasts a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 523 horsepower and achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring seamless power delivery and excellent traction. The M Sport exhaust system on the V8 enhances the engine's deep, aggressive roar. The air suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, providing a smooth yet sporty driving experience. Fuel efficiency is optimized with auto start-stop technology, reducing fuel consumption in city driving. Looking to the future, BMW may introduce a plug-in hybrid variant or even a fully electric X7, incorporating AI-assisted power management for maximum performance. The fresh design update, cutting-edge digital technology, and powerful engine options, the new X7 remains a top contender in the luxury SUV market. From the moment you see the 2025 BMW X7, it makes an undeniable statement. The iconic kidney grille is now even more pronounced, featuring BMW's illuminated grille option for an ultra-premium touch. The split headlight design, first introduced in the 2023 facelift, continues, giving the X7 a futuristic and aggressive front profile. Slim LED daytime running lights sit above the powerful adaptive LED or optional laser headlights, enhancing visibility and adding to the SUV's striking look. The bold sculpted hood flows seamlessly into the muscular body lines, giving the X7 a sleek yet dominant stance. Large air intakes in the front bumper not only add to the aggressive look, but also improve aerodynamics and engine cooling. The long wheelbase and elevated ground clearance ensure a commanding road presence while maintaining BMW's signature sporty handling. Moving to the side profile, the X7 boasts large 21-inch to 23-inch alloy wheels, available in multiple designs to suit personal preferences. The frameless windows and flush door handles create a seamless and sophisticated look. The black gloss or chrome trim options further enhance the SUV's premium appeal, while the roof rails and panoramic glass roof provide practicality and an airy, open feel inside the cabin. At the rear, the sleek LED taillights extend across the width of the vehicle, emphasizing its broad stance. The new 3D effect lighting signature adds a futuristic element, while the dual exhaust outlets integrated into the bumper highlight the SUV's performance capabilities. A hands-free power liftgate makes loading cargo effortless, adding to the X7's everyday convenience. The 2025 BMW X7 not only continues its tradition of luxury and power, but also sets the stage for future advancements. With BMW's increased focus on electrification, we can expect plug-in hybrid or fully electric variants in the near future. The exterior design will likely evolve with even more aerodynamic efficiency and AI-driven lighting technology, further enhancing the SUV's road presence and safety. Side profile exudes power and sophistication, with sculpted body lines and a long wheelbase for a commanding presence. Flush door handles and frameless windows create a sleek, modern look, while large 21-inch to 23-inch alloy wheels enhance both stability and style. The power-folding side mirrors with LED turn signals improve aerodynamics and safety. The 2025 BMW X7's rear exterior combines elegance, sportiness, and advanced functionality, making a bold statement on the road. The sleek LED taillights stretch seamlessly across the tailgate, featuring a 3D lighting effect that enhances visibility while adding a futuristic touch. The BMW logo sits proudly at the center, flanked by a subtle chrome strip that connects the lights, further emphasizing the SUV's wide and dominant stance. The sculpted rear bumper integrates smoothly with the body, housing dual exhaust outlets that hint at the vehicle's powerful performance. In the M60i variant, the exhaust tips are more aggressive, with a quad-pipe setup, reinforcing its high-performance DNA. The rear spoiler not only enhances aerodynamics, but also adds to the vehicle's sporty character. A hands-free power liftgate provides effortless access to the spacious cargo area, making loading and unloading more convenient. The split tailgate design continues, allowing for easier access and versatility when packing heavy or oversized items. A redesigned rear skid plate adds a rugged touch while protecting the underbody. With high-mounted brake light, the cargo area offers a spacious and versatile design, accommodating both everyday needs and long road trips. With all seats in place, it provides approximately 12.8 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row. Folding down the third row seats expands the cargo area to 48.6 cubic feet, while lowering both the second and third rows maximizes space to an impressive 0.4 cubic feet. The hands-free power tailgate allows for effortless access, making loading and unloading more convenient. The split folding tailgate design provides flexibility, enabling drivers to load smaller items without fully opening the trunk. A cargo cover ensures privacy and security for stored belongings, while tie-down hooks and an optional sliding cargo floor enhance usability. For added convenience, the air suspension system lowers the rear height at the push of a button, making it easier to load heavy or bulky items. Underfloor storage compartments provide extra space for smaller valuables, keeping the main cargo area clutter-free. Future iterations may introduce AI-powered cargo management systems and smart sensors to automatically adjust storage configurations based on the interior offers a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. Premium leather seats with detailed stitching provide a refined and elegant feel, while ambient lighting enhances the atmosphere throughout the cabin. The spacious cabin ensures a comfortable ride for all passengers, with heated and ventilated seats available in both the front and rear. The second row captain's chairs offer individual armrests and extra legroom, while the third row seats provide ample space for additional passengers. Seats. The seats offer premium leather upholstery with contrast stitching for a luxurious feel. Heated, ventilated, and massaging functions ensure maximum comfort on long drives. The second row captain's chairs provide extra legroom, while the third row seats offer spacious seating for additional passengers. Power adjustable settings allow for personalized positioning with memory function for multiple drivers. The reclining and sliding feature in the second row enhances flexibility and convenience. The lumbar support system reduces fatigue, making every ride more relaxing. Future models may introduce AI-powered seat adjustments for enhanced ergonomics. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel offers a soft touch grip and a sporty ergonomic design. Multifunctional controls allow easy access to audio, cruise control, and hands-free calling. Paddle shifters in sport models provide a more engaging driving experience. The heated steering wheel keeps hands warm during cold weather. Customizable driving mode buttons let drivers adjust steering sensitivity based on preference. The wheel is power adjustable with tilt and telescopic functions for optimal positioning. Future enhancements could include haptic feedback controls and gesture-based interactions. LED headlights. The high-performance LED headlights feature a sleek, modern design for enhanced visibility. Adaptive technology automatically adjusts brightness based on road conditions and oncoming traffic. Daytime running lights improve safety and add a futuristic touch. The push-start button allows for keyless ignition, adding convenience and modern sophistication. Located near the dashboard, it provides quick and effortless engine startup. The illuminated ring design makes it easy to locate, even in the dark. Some trims offer customizable startup sounds, adding a personal touch. The button is linked to smart key access, meaning the engine will only start if the key fob is detected inside. Anti-theft technology prevents unauthorized vehicle ignition attempts. Future enhancements may include fingerprint or biometric-based ignition for added security. Navigation system. The high-resolution touchscreen navigation system provides real-time traffic updates and turn-by-turn guidance. 3D maps and satellite view enhance route clarity for better navigation. The panoramic sunroof extends across the cabin, allowing natural light to create an open and airy feel. The advanced airbag system includes front, side, curtain, and knee airbags for maximum protection. Future models may feature smart glass technology enabling automatic tint adjustment for added comfort. A panoramic glass roof adds an open and luxurious feel to the cabin. Looking ahead, BMW may introduce digital side mirrors and adaptive panels for improved efficiency and futuristic styling. Technology features include a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging pads keep devices powered throughout the journey. Climate control is fully customizable with multiple zone settings, ensuring personalized comfort for every passenger. For added convenience, voice-activated controls and AI-assisted driving features enhance the overall experience. Looking ahead, future advancements may include augmented reality displays, biometric recognition, and even AI-powered seat adjustments for maximum comfort tailored to individual preferences. Parking sensors are discreetly integrated into the design, supporting BMW's advanced driver assistance systems. Looking ahead, BMW may introduce dynamic rear LED animations for a more interactive lighting experience, as well as AI-assisted parking features for greater ease in tight spaces. The electrification of future X7 models may also bring subtle design changes, including illuminated badging and a more aerodynamic rear diffuser to optimize efficiency. The system integrates with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands for hands-free operation. Augmented reality navigation overlays directions onto a live road view for added precision. Built-in Wi-Fi and cloud connectivity ensure maps are always up to date. The system offers multi-route suggestions based on traffic, fuel efficiency, and personal preferences. Sound system. The premium sound system delivers crisp, high-quality audio with strategically placed speakers for an immersive experience. Select trims feature a JBL or Harman Kardon system with a subwoofer for deep bass and enhanced clarity. Noise-canceling technology ensures a distraction-free listening environment, even at high speeds. Future models may include AI-enhanced sound tuning for personalized audio settings. With future innovations like AI-assisted driving, smart glass sunroofs, and advanced digital displays, the driving experience is only set to become more intuitive and refined. Whether you're looking for power, comfort, or high-tech features, this vehicle is designed to impress. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and updates. Check out my other videos, latest car reviews, top luxury SUVs of 2025, future car tech innovations in the description below. Comment below and let me know what you think about this model. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.